it's Market Moves here, and today we're going to be discussing Apple. And so just recently they ended up doing a 4 or 5, I believe, in a stock split. And what that basically is that since the stock was basically like around $400, now they ended up dividing that by 4. So basically, for however many stocks you had, you basically got 4 extra more. And currently, it's the stock value now it's at 125, which is pretty good. Still, if you could look here at the graph, what's it called? It looks pretty steady now, and it's changed. But I currently own a couple stocks of Apple, and so far it's earned me about $139. And I'm thinking of possibly investing a little bit more towards the future in Apple, and I have other couple of stocks in mind as well, but definitely thinking of Apple, and I still think it's gonna be a good company. 20, possibly 10, 15 years from now. Comment. Oh, and one more thing. I'm actually designing a couple shirts. I would appreciate if you actually took a look at them and possibly bought one or two. It's the hashtag Blacks Lives Matter support movement. A portion of it will be donated to the foundation. So appreciate it very much. So thank you very much and have a great day.